Hello, I'm Brian Tracy, and I've given more than 5,000 workshops and seminars for independent business people like you to help you to become far more productive and profitable. Now, I've been invited by two fantastic entrepreneurs, Byron Cole and Bianca Miller-Cole, the famous authors of the best-selling book on business startup success entitled Self-Made, to give my legendary Maximum Achievement Seminar on 28th September 2018 in London. Let me tell you a little bit about what you will learn. We find that the three critical words for business success are clarity, focus, and concentration. People who have the ability to focus single-mindedly on their most important tasks will accomplish 2 and 5 and 10 times as much as average people who become easily distracted. So I'm going to show you a whole series of methods and techniques that you can learn and apply to get much more done in a shorter period of time. Some of the benefits of this seminar is that you'll increase your sales, you'll increase your income, you'll increase your efficiency, you'll get 2 and 3 and 5 times as much work done in a day, you'll be able to attract more prospects and more customers and be far more successful in any market. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on 28th of September in London, where I will teach you some of the best methods and techniques used by the highest paid and most successful people in the world today.